Good morning from Khun Tan Hospital. This morning, I'm drop a bus from Bangkok to Chiang Rai now. In front the door of Khun Tan Hospital because my father is admit at the hospital now. So I will be there. We will here. This hospital, I was practical when I was student, and I need a paper to apply to study to be a doctor when I was a girl in high school. But I miss to be a doctor. Then if I am a doctor, so rural development and public health in this world will be better than this. So, good morning from Chiang Rai.